Ever wondered about the names behind the big banks we see every day? Think about it. You walk past them on the high street, see their logos online, hear them mentioned in the news. These aren't just random labels. They often carry history, tell a story, and sometimes even hold a little bit of a surprise. Today, we're diving into one of the UK's most recognizable financial institutions, Lloyds Bank. We all know it as Lloyds Bank, right? Simple, straightforward. But has it always been that way? And is that really the full story behind the name? You might be surprised to learn that the name we use so casually is actually a shortened version of something a little more substantial. To understand the full name, we need to take a little trip back in time. Picture the bustling streets of 18th century Birmingham, a city at the heart of the burgeoning Industrial Revolution. It was here, in 1765, that the story of Lloyds Bank began, not as a grand corporation, but as a partnership between button maker John Taylor and iron merchant Sampson Lloyd II. They established a private banking business, known initially as Taylor and Lloyds. This wasn't just a couple of friends deciding to handle some money. Sampson Lloyd II came from a prominent Quaker family with strong business connections. Their principles of integrity and reliability were deeply ingrained in the foundation of this new venture. As the business grew, so did the number of partners, a common structure for banks at the time. Over the next century, various members of the Lloyd family and their associates would join and leave the partnership, leading to a series of name changes that reflected the evolving composition of the ownership. Think of names like Lloyd, Fothergill and Company, and later, Lloyds and Company. Each iteration marked a specific period in the bank's history and the individuals who were at its helm. These weren't just arbitrary changes, they represented shifts in power, influence, and the direction of the growing financial enterprise. Now, fast forward to the late 19th century. By this time, the banking landscape was changing. Smaller private banks were increasingly looking to consolidate to gain strength and stability in a rapidly industrializing economy. In 1865, the private banking firm of Lloyds and Company took a significant step. It became a joint stock company with limited liability. This transformation was a crucial turning point, allowing the bank to raise more capital and expand its operations more effectively. And this is where we finally arrive at the answer to our initial question. Upon its incorporation as a joint stock company, the bank officially adopted the name Lloyds Banking Company Limited. So, the full name of Lloyds Bank isn't just Lloyds Bank. It's actually Lloyds Banking Company Limited. The Banking Company Limited signifies its status as a registered company with limited liability, a standard designation for many businesses in the UK. While we commonly refer to it simply as Lloyds Bank, understanding its full name provides a glimpse into its historical development and its transition from a small family partnership to a major financial institution. It's a reminder that even the most familiar names often have a richer, more detailed story behind them. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.